How to remove friends on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to remove friends on TikTok. Begin by opening the TikTok mobile app just like you see here. This is the main homepage. From here, tap the profile icon found at the bottom right corner of the screen to enter your TikTok account profile. Once you arrive on your profile page, head toward the center of the screen where your followers and followings are listed. From those, tap on Followers. A new page will appear with several related tabs. Among them, select the one labeled Friends. This section shows accounts you follow who also follow you back. To unfriend someone, scroll through the list and locate their profile, then tap on their name. This opens the person's profile page, as shown here. Now, to continue, tap on the icon with a person and gear symbol. It opens a menu from the bottom of the screen. Among the available actions, select the one named Unfollow. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify your decision. Once you confirm, that user will be removed from your friends list since you no longer follow them. If you later change your mind and wish to reconnect, just go back to your followers list, search for the account, tap it to open the profile, and then tap Follow. That's all it takes to add them back. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to remove friends on TikTok.